Hi guys, so today I just wanted to show you this new Babyliss straightener, curler, tongue tool that I got, black and rose gold. I'm going to show you how I use these for my everyday curls, soft waves. Section my hair, so I kind of do my parting where I normally have it, half it, and just kind of get the bottom layer of my hair. Twist up the wrist, just comb it through, get a section of hair, hold it as tight as I can so it doesn't slip down, and then just twist away from my face. There we go. You have to press quite hard together so it doesn't slip down. So there we go, just everyday finished curls, nice and easy, and literally this takes me 10 minutes when I'm not editing a video to show you.